Now that we have looked at adding text to our clips, let's look at adding titles, and that is from templates provided by Wondershare Filmora. So what I'll do is I'll just select this clip over here and delete it so that we can add a fresh one. So I'll head over here, title, then select title template. So this is the one that I want, and you can see we have a lot of presets over here. So you can just go ahead and double click on anyone to see what it looks like. So I'm going to select this one. Again, there's so many, and as you can see, for some you have to download them first. Like download this one. Now, depending on the preset, it will determine how long it will take to download. So this is what it will look like. I'm trying to select this one, so I'll just click it and drag it over here, or you can just click on the plus icon and it will be added. Let's just undo that. So here we have it. Double click on it, and then you will have this up here. Now from over here you can change your text. So you can see we have two parts to our text. We have, let me just deselect it. We have two parts to our text. We have the upper part and the lower part. Now let's imagine we're working with a YouTube clip, and I want that to be the title of our channel or something. So let's just change the here. Select this one. There we go. So you can see the change is already back. Again, same thing with this one. You can change the fonts depending on which font. So there's so many fonts you can use. I'll select that one. You can change the font size and the text color. Again, go ahead and be creative with this. Come up with a shabby font. We still have the same settings as you had working with text. Again, we have three text over here, so you just can go around and see what will work best with you. We still have the text options, letter spacing, line height, and alignment. I'm just going to go through this. You can still transform the text, change the position, or add the background. For this one, I want to add the gradient background. So gradient fill, choose this color. There we go. We leave everything else as it is. We're not going to change anything else, and then we're going to click OK. Now I want this to run through the whole clip, so I'll just resize it to such, and then just let's play it. There we go. If you want to go back and make changes, all you have to do is go back here, double click, and then go to where you want to make the changes. So I want to remove the background. So I will turn that off, click OK. Let's play it from the top again. I just want you to see the effects. So it is as simple as that. You can either use choose to use templates provided over here. Again, there are millions and millions of them over here, so you can go through and just select one that you want, or you can come over here and make your own from scratch and customize it as you want.